been a long day, but I'm finally here at the London Transport Museum. So we're going to have a tour of the museum and I hope you enjoy it.
something.
Well, now 5'7", so barely. It's really tight.
Yeah.
So this bit of the museum tells us the story of everyone that's come from different parts of the world, namely the Caribbean and other parts of the Commonwealth. So a timeline of immigration, actively going to the Caribbean and recruiting for public services over here in the UK. And yeah, so that's how we have such a wonderfully diverse community, particularly in London. Going to be on YouTube. Let me see if I can go on this one. There's a weird looking bus. I'm assuming this was used sometime during the war. Another bus there. I can't get on this one. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, I can get on that. Now this one. Oh, it is a bus. A barn. Strange. Very strange. Well, I'm actually learning things today. This is the B-type bus, and this was the first mass-produced bus that was set, and they were used in France and Belgium. They went as far as Greece, using troops and ammunition and all sorts of goods. So this is the first mass-produced bus. Oh my god, it fell. I'm going to go up to the top deck of this tram. So let's see what it looks like. I am allowed up on the tram, so I'm going to go up. It is very steep. Right, can't get into the bottom of the tram, I've tried. Not allowed, it's all shut. Don't know what that's for. Let's just try the bell. I'm going to try it. No, it's not working. Hold the camera steady as I go up, but to be honest with you, the steps are so steep I don't think I can. I've got to get up there. Right, I'm at the top of the tram. That was an experience. I've never been on one of these before. That was really steep. Yeah, I wouldn't have liked to have done that, but I suppose better than nothing. So I'm going to try and sit down and see what it's like. So I'm sat on the tram. It wasn't pleasant coming up, but I think inside the seats are lovely. I've not been in, but they look really well cushioned, so I think that would have been nice. Just getting up to the top deck would have been a hassle. So if this was around, I would probably just stay below. But I think the views from up above are lovely. This lady designed the moquette patterns that you see on the London Underground and bus system. And throughout the museum you'll see seating with the same patterns everywhere. It's the old Northern Line. Ooh. Hasn't changed much by the looks of things. Maybe the stations have changed obviously, but the actual, and this bit isn't there anymore, but apart from that it's the same. So I have been cheekily sat here having a rest, walking around the museum. It's actually empty, this underground carriage, as you can see, completely empty. So I thought, why not have a little rest, catch my breath, and then I'll just finish the lower ground floor of the museum, and then I'll call it a day. But I have enjoyed myself. It's been very nostalgic. Yeah, really enjoyed myself. Anne? Yeah? What's your name? Oh, that's a lovely name. And you're from Japan, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're visiting the museum?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, your English is very good. What else can you say?
I can say Spanish a little bit.
So you learn English and Spanish at school in Japan? Oh, you learn Spanish in the English school? Oh, lovely, that's good to know. Oh, well done. It's good that you can speak many languages. You'll find it useful in the future. Okay, nice meeting you. Right, this is so funny. This is some of the posters that are on the trains advertising. So this one is for Listerine. It says, nice legs, shame about the breath. Very sexist. It wouldn't be allowed today. Would not be allowed today. in any shape or form such an advert. It would actually be banned under the Equality Act, but this is what it was like. Advertising with the Halifax Bank there. So this is the Northern Line carriage, and you've got the old stations. It's changed a bit now, but they're the stations that existed at the time. Lovely wooden windows. As you can see, the carriage seats are really comfortable, extremely comfortable. This is an interesting advert. Hover Speed. I remember going on Hover Speed for £16. I remember actually as a child being on that. And I also remember these old telephones. Oh my god. I think my mum's still got one somewhere. And Woolworths. Oh, I remember Woolworths. So this is it. Right, let's carry on and see what else. Mind the gap. My one was the 237 every bloody morning. Right, this is the bus that I remember getting on as a kid. So you could hop on the back, and I used to love these buses. And you just literally hop on the bus. I remember the 237 was like this. You would hop on. And you could sit at the front, which was lovely. And I do remember a conductor. Coming round and yeah, asking for tickets. Yeah, very nostalgic. I'm going to press the bell. We used to have a string as well that you could pull the string, but I'll press the bell. Vaguely hear it, but yeah, this is it. This is the bus. Used to use tickets there. I remember it well. Let's go up the stairs. Takes me back. Oh, we can't go on. Just love it. It's just as I remember. Oh, very nostalgic. There are kids behind me. If you've enjoyed my videos, please hit the like button, subscribe and the bell so you can be notified. In Jolly Geniuses World, we make the most of our opportunities.